missing someone.
Hi guys, it's your girl Simone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys just how I'm making my lip gloss. It's not really a tutorial, just more so of a work along. So I'm going in with some Versagel on this scale because I'm going to measure it out to be 3 parts because I'm working with 3 colors. So that is what you're going to be seeing me do first. I have a tutorial on how to make lip gloss and I'm going to put it in the cards above. So if you want to see that, you can go up there and watch it. So now we're going to go in with some vitamin E oil that I got from Amazon, and it has like a little dropper, so we're just going to squeeze that into the base. Now I'm going in with some grapeseed oil. I got this at Walmart. You can get it from Walmart, any grocery store, get it at Amazon. Use whatever oils you like, but I use grapeseed and coconut oil, which is what you'll see me grabbing now. I'm going to use this to distribute my mica pigments. You can get those at Amazon or TKB Trading. I got mine from Amazon. Make sure they're food safe if you are going to be using for Amazon. TKB has a great selection as well. So we're going to just mix yellow with gold. I didn't want yellow, I didn't want gold, so I'm just going to mix them. And I'm not measuring anything, I just know how I want it, so that is what I am doing now. So next you're going to see me grab a I'm going to grab a popsicle stick, and I'm going to go in and stir it in real good. Make sure I'm scraping the sides and the bottoms to get all that pigment into that coconut oil, so that when I pour it in, it'll be good and not clumpy. So now we're just going to pour that into the bowl and make sure we're going to mix that really well, because we don't want no clumps and no streaks, okay? So now I'm going to just mix really well. Make sure that gets incorporated really good. And you didn't see me add it in, but I did add in lemon scent oil. I just forgot to record it, or I don't know. It might have been in there, but I don't see it. So, and I'm just going to keep on mixing. Okay, now we're going to go into the pink color, and I'm just going to do the same thing, add some grapeseed oil into this, and I already had added the vitamin E oil, so now I'm going to take the coconut oil and I'm going to mix in my colors. So the colors I'm going to be using, a light pink, and I'm going to be using like a dusty pink color, and then I'm going to be using a red because I didn't have the color pink that I wanted. So this is what I did, just mixed it to make the color that I needed. So next you're just going to see me mixing that in until I get the color that I want. Now I'm going to add in some strawberry scent oil so that this will be strawberry scented and it smells lovely. Now I'm just going to go in and do the last color. We're going to be using the rest of our Versagel, so that's why I'm not measuring this. And I left this part in because I wanted to show you guys how I get the last little bit out. I'm going to take a little squeegee thing. I use my Cricut scraper, and we're going to scrape all that Versa-Gel to the exit because we want to use all our gel. We don't want to leave nothing behind. So that is what you're going to be seeing me do now. So now I'm about to go in with a beautiful greenish gold color, and I love this color, y'all. It's so pretty. And then I'm also going to add in a coconut flavoring into this as well. I use grapeseed oil to mix this in because the grapeseed oil is greenish, and that's why I didn't use it in the other colors. But this being green, it doesn't really matter, so that is why I'm using it. So now I'm just going to I put a Ziploc bag into a cup, and I'm going to pour my base into the cup. I'm going to put my gloss into the cup. So the reason I do this is to minimize mess. I know it's probably wasteful and not necessary, but I like to do this because pouring it in with the spoon and stuff, I don't like doing that. So I do it like this, and I find it easier for me to do it. So I'm just going to scrape out my bowl and get as much into there, and I'm wiping the spoon on the side of the inside of the bag. That's what you see me doing. So I just take it out, and then what I like to do is I don't close the bag all the way, but I close it a little bit, and I'm going to take that same squeegee and just squeegee all that to one corner, because later on I'm going to be snipping the corner, and that is the corner I'm going to be snipping. So now I just close the bag after I squeeze it, so to relieve the air. So you're going to see me do that with all the colors. So just to tell you guys a little bit about me, because I never show my face, I know. I am Simone, if you don't know my name by now. I'm 27, and I am a accounting and finance major right now. And I love all things financial. I love all things numbers, and I love crafting. So I brought those two loves together and made it into my business that I have. I have an Etsy shop. I am transitioning from local selling to online selling, because that is the next step I want to do in my business. I've had my business for about 5 years, and it's kind of a everything but the kitchen sink kind of business, because I do a lot of things. I try to perfect everything that I do. My bath bomb and lip gloss formulas have been in the work for about a year, so I've perfected that over the year, and so I stand behind what I put out. So another thing that I do are stickers, and I have been practicing techniques and getting the right utensils for those stickers. So when I brought me like a new laser printer, a new cutter, all kinds of things, like top premium supplies, just so that I can give you guys the best that I can offer you. So I just want to say thank you for supporting me and watching my videos. One day I'm going to show my face. I actually have a makeup video that I did film. It was my first one ever, and I shocked myself, so I filmed it just to see how it would turn out, but one day I might post it. So now I'm going to go in with this syringe, and it's a 60 milliliter syringe that I got off of Amazon, and I'm going to take the cap off and the syringe part out, the plunger out, and I'm going to go in and take this pipette, and I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to stick that onto the end of the syringe. And you want to push it really tight. I don't use tape to hold it because I never had spillage out that end. So I just measure how long I need to cut it and cut it off. So I show you this part because I overfilled it. I was rushing, and so you want to use not all of it at once. Don't fill it up. Put it like a third of the way. That way you have room to push it down. So I'm just pushing that into a tube. So next is going to be me filling up some tubes. Sorry for the camera angle. I changed my camera angle trying to get it to a better angle. I want to invest into a camera. But until then, I'm filming on my iPhone. So the footage may be a little rough. And I wanted to say about the white sheet you see. I just put that down. Every time I make lip gloss, I make sure I cover my area so that, you know, nothing gets on it. So that sheet is renewed every time that I make lip gloss. So enjoy watching these tubes be filled up. Please comment, subscribe, like, and don't forget about the giveaway. Don't forget about the sale. And I love you guys so much for your support. And I hope to bring you guys so much that you enjoy watching. Hope to bring you things that will help you and things that will entertain you as well, because once I get over this social anxiety that I have, and I've had it for all of my life, I do plan on doing more. I do plan on doing face-to-face videos, but until I can get over that, this is the best that I can do, and I really hope that you stick around to see where we can go. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye.